So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And now once you run this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, and then you want to expand system, and then you want to expand current control set, and then you want to expand control, and then you want to expand class. Let me make this a bit bigger. So now you want to expand class, you can follow everything up here, and now you want to click on this folder right here. So it's called 36FC9060-C465. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you're going to go 13 down and then click on this folder right here. This is how it looks like. You can see it up here. And then once you're in this folder, if you have something called upper filters, you want to delete this. So for me, I have upper filters. I'm just going to right click on it and then click on delete and then click on yes. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once you run this, you're going to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Click on enter. And now this will come up. You're going to click on next. And then you want to run this. If it detects any problems, it will fix it for you. Now once you complete both these steps, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.